guys, HoppeHunting here. So today I'm going to be kayaking to some more remote areas of the cliffs, so hopefully because they're relatively untouched compared to the public sites that I go to, I'll be able to find some really awesome fossils. So to help me get there, I have HMS Sarah. I'm going to unload her from the car, get her down to the boat ramp, and start paddling. All right, time to set sail. First decent tooth. Tiger. Another really nice tiger. I'm literally crawling under trees right now, but I think it's gonna pay off. I just spotted this really nice mako. Please be whole. Nice. That is sharp. Beautiful. I just found what looks like a dolphin vert, just laying right out in the open. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's kind of a weird looking one, but I'll keep it. Guys, I think I just found a cow shark tooth right there. Oh my god. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. Oh my god. I put that cow shark tooth in the container and I looked just a few inches next to it and I found this. Another cow shark tooth. Two literally inches apart. The first one was in this shell pile and the second one was just buried under the sand right here. That is insane. Literally a couple feet away from those two cow shark teeth, I find this mako. Oh, it's missing one of the roots, but and it's busted on my back. Still pretty nice. It's a good size. This spot is just full of awesome teeth. I'm gonna spend a lot of time here. I see another vert right there. It's broken. Still pretty nice though. Poor guy. The horseshoe crab. I actually find these washed up all the time. It's literally right out in the open. It's good quality. Decent lower hemi. I think I see a blood red hemi. Look at that. It's not in great condition, but those colors. Wow. That is a cool tooth. Pretty decent ray plate. It's the centerpiece. It's a really nice hemi. Look at that. Those serrations are awesome. Another mako. Not bad at all. Yet another mako. It's got a really cool red tip. Lots of makos today. Hey guys, so it's starting to get really hot out here and I'm running low on water, so I'm gonna load up the kayak and head back to the marina, and I'll let you know when I get there. Hey guys, so I'm back at the car and I'm about to head home, and once I get there I'll show you everything that I got. See you soon. Hey guys, I'm back home, so let's go over the finds. Starting out with this cow shark tooth. Has to be the find of the day. It is just beautiful. You can find pieces of cow shark teeth all the time, but to find a complete one of this quality is definitely a trip maker. Beautiful tooth. Then just a few inches next to it on the beach, I found this. Another cow shark tooth. Now this one's broken, but it has some really cool colors. We have some hemis here. This really cool one with these colors. It was actually more red when I found it, but it kind of dried to be orange. So really, really cool. And some makos. This one's got some cool cloudy coloring on it. Really cool looking. And then this one is just pristine. Look at the quality of that. Definitely fresh out of the cliffs. A few hammerhead shark teeth. Some sand tigers. We got ray plates. This one's actually pretty nice. The center. Really cool. And some Carcharinus teeth here. Couple decent colors in there. Some pretty nice tiger shark teeth. That one's really good condition. Really pretty tooth. And then just one half of a shark vertebra. Still a cool find. And then I did get two cetacean verts. This one's really worn down. It's got some cool little holes in there. And then this is half of a cetacean atlas vertebra. So this is the vertebra right before the head. So there's only one of these in the entire animal. So it's a pretty rare find. So in the end, I didn't find a ton of fossils because I wasn't out there for nearly as long as I would have liked to, simply because it was so hot outside, but I still had a great time kayaking out on the water. That encounter with those cownose rays was really cool. They were coming right up to my boat, and I still found some really cool stuff, so I'm sure it won't be long before I'm back out there again. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to join me on more fossil hunting adventures in the future. Happy hunting!